Unraveling the phrase, threaded in cables. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, threaded in cables. This expression might sound complex at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the meaning, but also how to use it in your own conversations and writings. Let's get started. Threaded in cables is not a common phrase you'll find in everyday English. However, it can be used metaphorically or literally to describe a situation, process, or object. Threaded means something is passed through or intertwined, while cables refer to thick, strong ropes or wires. When combined, the phrase can paint a vivid picture of complexity, connection, or entanglement. Literal use. In a literal sense, threaded in cables might be used to describe the physical process of wiring in electronics, construction, or art installations. It emphasizes the precision and care needed to navigate through complex systems. Metaphorical use. Metaphorically, the phrase can symbolize situations where someone is deeply involved or entangled in complex or challenging circumstances. For example, being threaded in cables of bureaucracy could describe someone navigating through complicated administrative processes. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. Literal. The electrician expertly threaded the wires and cables throughout the building's infrastructure. Metaphorical. She found herself threaded in cables of deceit, trying to uncover the truth behind the scandal. When using threaded in cables, think about the context. Is it a physical description or a metaphorical expression? Ensure your audience understands from the context which meaning you intend. It's a powerful phrase that can add depth to your language, especially in creative writing or in-depth discussions. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, threaded in cables. Whether you're threading your way through complex systems or intricate situations, this phrase can add a layer of depth to your English language arsenal. Remember, language is not just about words but the images and ideas they convey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.